Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean clogged pores. This will be a skincare routine tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have clogged up pores and you want to open up those pores and clean them, this is the video for you. This is something that I myself do every few weeks because my pores have a tendency to get clogged, and you can see they're kind of clogged right now. So it's a simple 3-step routine, and it doesn't take a ton of time. That's why I like this method. It doesn't take a ton of time, and you don't really need any special products. It makes use of things that you already have. I actually do this before I get into the shower, so one of the steps is taken care of when I shower, but I'll explain that in a moment. The first step is going to be to get a warm cloth and just place it over the area where you want to clean your pores. In my case, I'm going to be doing it on my nose right here. So I'm just going to place the warm cloth on my nose, but if you are cleaning all the pores all over your face, then you can by all means use it everywhere else. That's going to open up your pores. The moisture and the heat from the towel, because it's going to be a warm towel, is going to open up your pores. You can already see that they're kind of much more, you can see them much more just because I use that towel. Next, you want to actually clean out your pores. So you want to remove your whiteheads and your blackheads from that area. You can use special tools. To be honest with you, what works for me is floss, okay? If I actually take floss, and sometimes I can even use just like a pair of tweezers, but just use, not squeeze them together, but just drag one side of the tweezers on my nose. If I use floss and I just kind of drag it along my nose, it ends up, and I apply some pressure, it ends up, let's just try and get this on camera, it ends up opening up the pores and pulling out the whiteheads and the blackheads. As you can probably see right there, I can't tell if it's doing it now because I'm looking on the camera. It's kind of hard for me to tell, but it does pull them out. It's hard for me to tell if you can see it or not. But I do this all the time, and the floss just ends up having quite a few, like there's a few whiteheads on that piece of floss already. And usually I kind of hold my skin back if I can. So like I'll pull my skin like that to tighten it up, and then I'll go like that, right? Now, or I'll pull my skin back like this, and then I'll use the floss, okay? So what you want to do is just do whatever you can to remove the whiteheads and the blackheads, there we go, from your nose. Just like that, okay? There we go. So as you can probably tell right there, I pulled out quite a few whiteheads and blackheads. I'm going to try and get the camera to focus in on that. There we go. Hopefully we can focus in on that. Let's see if we can do that there, if I can figure out how to get it to focus. But there are quite a few whiteheads and blackheads on this piece of floss. So once you've done that part, you've opened up the pores, you've removed the whiteheads and blackheads that are in the pores. Now your pores are nice and clean. What you want to do is scrub your face, clean that area just with your favorite face wash, and that will allow the pores to be cleaned on the inside, okay? So step 1 was sort of exfoliating to open up the pores. Step 2 is cleaning out the whiteheads or the blackheads that are inside of the pores. Step 3 would be to just use your favorite face wash. Now I myself, like I said, I do this before I go in the shower. So then when I go in the shower, I just use regular sensitive skin soap on my face, and that clears all the pores out. But it all depends. You know, if you have a specific face wash that you like using, then you can by all means go ahead and use that one. I'm not going to demonstrate the third step now because I don't have any soap with me right now. But yeah, that's basically it. And the reason you didn't see that many whiteheads or blackheads come out is because I just did this 2 days ago, so they haven't had a chance to really accumulate yet. But I do this about once a week for the most part. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.